Okay, we're here today at Gold's Garage in London, Ontario. I'm Alan Gold, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate my latest project. This engine is not for sale. This is a custom build for a car guy in Ottawa named Sam Ford, and Sam has a pristine 68 Nova, and we wanted to make this right, so we used and it had a 327 in it, so this is the 327 and this is a 678 block, so it's the correct block for a 68 Nova. Every 327 68 Nova had this block, so we wanted to start with the right engine. The rotating assembly is all 327. It's bored 40 over, so it's like 332 right now. And the big changes we made on this, it's a detailed blueprint job, but the biggest changes are aluminum heads, aftermarket aluminum heads, which are awesome to work with and beautiful heads. And we also converted it from a flat tapper cam to a roller cam. So it's a roller, and it's also what they call, COMP CAMS calls Mutha Thumper cam. And the purpose of these cams is to recreate that retro sound that cars made back in the day. And when I started, you'll know what I'm talking about. It certainly has that sound. It's a real radical idle, and very impressive idle. It still revs nice and fast, makes lots of power. This should be at least 350 horsepower the way it is right now, and a good reliable engine. We use all the COMP CAMS, roller rocker arms, push rods, roller valve lifters, of course, in the setup. Did all the modification necessary to convert it to roller, and it starts and runs fine. I've done all the diagnostics on it, and it's good. So I'm going to start it up for you and just let here run for a few seconds, and then we'll close off. Okay? Okay, so far I've got it to idle at around 1,000 RPM, and that's probably about as good as it's going to get with a Mutha Thumper cam, and that's the whole idea of it, the sound, retro and sound cool. This engine is ready to go. When Sam gets his Nova here, we're going to install it for him, and he's good to go. Once again, this engine isn't for sale. If you're looking for one for sale, also on my YouTube channel, that's a CT400, a ZZ6 engine that I recently rebuilt, and there's a video on in my channel as well. It's spelled Gold', Gold's Garage. Thanks for watching.